I'm feeling it. My bones telling me it's right. It's so different. But when you take me to the light.
Hey guys, what is up? Good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to create a very glam plus classic kind of makeup look. So yeah, without wasting time, let's do it. And I'm not going to use so much expensive kind of product. Okay, so let's fix this hair first.
It's like a cigarette.
Okay, so I'm going to use first of all moisturizer, which is by Soft Nivea.
So innocent. Then you kick it up and now I want to show you all what you deserve.
Okay, so done. Now I'm going to use this one for foundation, Elite Pro Coverage, which is a natural shade. A little bit of undertone. Little bit on my neck. Now I'm going to blend this foundation with the beauty blender.
Take a little look, can we finish it? And then get busy getting back into the thick of it.
Okay, so done. Okay, so now I'm going to use this concealer.
I'm still understanding just how you do the magic when you look at me.
Little bit on my eye.
I'm saying it inside your seat. Oh, and just like when we said I do, and it's only you who could do like that. It's only you who could do like.
Okay, so done. Okay, so now I'm going to use this compact powder to fix this powder, which is by Let Me Matte Primer Foundation. Little bit on my neck. Okay, so now I'm going to use this one as a pencil. Okay, it's done. Now I'm going to contour my face. Okay, so this one contouring palette I have, which is your highlighter plus contour, both together. Okay, so take it on my palette. Now blend it for this face.
I'm feeling it. My bones telling me it's right. It's so different.
Okay, so now I'm going to put this highlighter on my eyebrows. On my eyebrows.
So innocent. And you kick it up and now I want to
Just keep the white eyebrows look.
and know we got so much to learn. And just like when we said I do.
Okay, so now I'm going to put this eyeshadow on my eyes. And I'm going to put this one shade. This one. A little bit on my corner of my eye. Okay, so now I'm going to this one black eyeshadow. I'm going to put here corner of her eyes to just give define that eyeliner kind of look.
I like it with you. I like it with you. I like it with you. In the sand that we dance, we ain't got no plans. I like it with you. I like it with you. When the hours feel me all night long. I like it when you close all the curtains. We're taking up the trash and the burdens. We got all the time, ain't no worries.
Okay, now I'm going to call my analysis. And now I'm going to put this mascara, which is by Blue Heaven. I'm going to put this highlighter, which is by Technique Mega Glow Highlighter. Little bit on my forehead, on my nose, chin. Now I am going to put this lip liner, which is by Bold Matte Lip Liner, which is Bold Matte Lip Liner.
When you take me to the light, it's like a cigarette, and I'm burning at your lips. That's so innocent. Then you kick it up, and now I want to show you all what you deserve.
Yes, now I am going to put this one lipstick, which is Fit Me TikTok. It's a very so cute one. ओके तो मेरा मेकअप कंप्लीट हो चुका है and now I'm going to open my hair. And this is the final look. Okay, so I'm not a professional makeup artist, but yeah, I'm trying to give my best. So yeah, I hope you guys like this look. If you did, to like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. And I'll see you in the next video with some new activity and creativity. Till then, bye bye, stay safe, take care, bye.
Make me take a little look. Can we finish it?